Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Combine 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon salt in a large mixing bowl and whisk to aerate the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups milk, and 1/2 cup vegetable oil until smooth and slightly frothy. Pour wet into dry and stir until just combined. Small lumps are fine. Use a few tablespoons of batter to test the iron and adjust thickness with 2 to 4 tablespoons more milk if needed. Stir the combined batter gently until just combined. Overmixing activates gluten and makes waffles tough and chewy. After mixing, let the batter rest for 10 minutes at room temperature so the flour hydrates and air bubbles relax. This improves texture and crispness. If the batter thickens too much during the rest, thin it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk at a time until you reach the consistency that pours slowly but holds shape. Use rested batter for a tender interior and crisp exterior on the waffle iron. Preheat the waffle iron thoroughly until the ready indicator appears, then lightly brush with oil or use nonstick spray to prevent sticking and encourage crisping. Spoon enough batter to cover the grid without overflowing. Cook each waffle 3 to 5 minutes until steam subsides and the edges are golden brown and crisp. Transfer cooked waffles to a wire rack set over a baking sheet and hold in a 200 degrees F oven in a single layer to keep crisp. Stacking waffles will trap steam and make them soggy. Serve with butter, syrup, fruit, or whipped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.